Hi there, I'm Sandy Allnock, and today I offer a tribute to Chadwick Boseman, drawing him as King T'Challa from Wakanda from the movie Black Panther. Chadwick died this weekend, and so many of us are just devastated. His talent will be sorely missed. All the movies he made, the good he did in this world while he was here is unbelievable. The more we find out after his passing about what he was going through and the giving that he kept doing. He just kept giving and giving and giving and pouring himself out, and that is such an inspiration. So that is the source of my passion to do this portrait today. Doing it in Copic Markers. In this first section, as long as you see that logo in the bottom left corner, is from a live broadcast I did on Crowdcast. If you're interested in real-time live video, you can follow me over there and find out when my videos are going to go live. I don't have a schedule as of yet. I'm just learning the platform and getting software and tech stuff set up and figuring out how to do it. For right now, I'm considering just staying on that platform rather than doing it here on YouTube, because over there I can connect it to my Patreon account, and that means you'd have to be a patron in order to see the videos. But being a patron can be just $1 a month. It's not exorbitant and that sort of thing. So you're welcome to check it all out and subscribe over there and see what's going on in the future. And I also wanted to let you know that Patreon now has an option for year-long subscriptions. So if you just want to pay once, get it over with, and not think about it all year, I kind of like to do that because you get a discount when you do that. And that is always a good thing. I also recognize that some people might not want to, because some folks change their amount throughout the year. Sometimes they're doing $20 a month. Sometimes they do 10 or 5, and then they'll bump it back down or bump it back up when times are good or bad. And I don't know how that works with the year-long subscription thing. You'd have to email Patreon and ask them how that works if you fall into that category and want to talk to them about that. But all the information is in the doobly-doo down below. I am going to turn on some music and let you enjoy the rest of the drawing. And I will see you in my next video in a couple of days.